What if $10 could help you earn monthly residual income? Yes, that's what we're going to talk about today, is how it can earn you monthly residual income, how you don't need any tech skills, you don't need to know how to recruit, you just need to plug into the system and follow it. Hi, I'm Carol Rivet. Let's get right into it. Let's talk about a simple system that works without selling and without recruiting, okay? And the system is based around Global Domains International. Now, GDI has been around, or GDI for short, has been around for 25 years. It is a solid company. I've been in it for years. It has paid me every single month like clockwork. Okay, it is a solid company, and it is just $10 a month after the free trial period ends, and it pays residual commissions up to 5 levels deep. Okay, and we have a smart rotator that puts people underneath you. Okay, and it's very simple and very easy to use the smart rotator. The low entry point makes it great for retirees, or if you're 50 years old or over heading, or if you're just on a budget and you need to make extra monthly income, which how many of us aren't there, right? Okay, and there's no big investment. It's less than a cup of coffee. It's half the price now of a pizza. I used to, when I first started this, it was like just the cost of a pizza. Well, pizza's double that cost now, so I can't even say that anymore. And so let's take a look at the GDI Smart Rotator here. This is just in the last 7 days. 144 people have are new members in the last 30 days. Two. Okay, and this is for GDI, and you can see the people that have just come in. And that is just today, and it's January 20th today. It's early in the morning, January 20th. Okay, so this is very exciting. When I first joined the rotator, I gotta admit, I was like, yeah, okay, I've been in rotators so many times. They all say they're gonna send you hits and they never do. This one has sent me not just hits, but signups. They all say they're gonna send you signups and they never do. This has actually done that. Okay? And all you need to do is 2 small things for it. Let me update your downline report, which they show you how to do that, and create a backlink, which I can help you do that. Okay, I have videos going over all of this. Then they have landing pages, autoresponder pages. You see, you don't have to send to get signups and traffic. And here's the qualifications. Okay, but you don't have to be successful getting signups, but you do have to send traffic to the links that they've sent you. Okay, and you can get up to 10 GDI signups. Okay, if you have a system, just for an example, 5 people, if you bring in 5 and you show them this system and the system brings in 5, who brings in 5? And let me rephrase that. If the system brings in 5 for you, and then your 5 use the system and the system brings in 5, and then brings them in 5, who bring in 5, who bring in 5, you're making, and it's not a guarantee, because you do have to stick with the system here. And this is 10 signups, but I'm just using 5 as an example. You have the potential to make over $3,905. Okay, that's just with 5. And this system will get you set 10. And it also replaces those that do not upgrade or have upgraded and dropped out. It replaces them. So this is It's a great system, and it's a real business that you can grow at your own pace from home. Okay? You can check it out and you can start your free trial. You can go to carol.ws, okay? Or you can, just click the link below this video. Anyways, the fact that we can make a monthly residual income from $10 a month should have you so excited. And the fact that you don't have to recruit, you just need to follow those steps. And I have 2 videos on how to do it. It's just sending some hits from like a traffic exchange like this one, or like this one. It's just clicking a link and sending traffic. It's very easy. And they send you the signups. Okay? So that's it for today. $10 a month can earn you residuals. That's pretty incredible. Again, go to carol.ws or click the link below. Okay, God bless and take care.